This is my iRobot Roomba 694. It has Wi-Fi connectivity, but you don't need Wi-Fi. It works with Alexa. I got this one Roomba because I have carpet in my basement, and it is known to do very well on carpet. I tend to not like to watch the Roomba because it goes all over the place. It doesn't have a pattern, but it does a great job on carpet and collecting pet hair. You can tell here that it can go underneath chairs and goes around corners, does little nooks and crannies, so it does get all over the place. Here it is after the fact, and you can see that there's patterns all over, but it's done pretty much the whole floor, and I'm happy with the job it's done. And it should have gone back on its dock, and yes, it had self-docked. So to remove the filter, I usually flip it upside down and I pop off the top. Here you see all the dust and hair that it's collected, and then you can flip this little door up to get to the two rollers. You get some hair stuck in this roller, and then you just clean that off and pop that back in. It's easy to clean and does great on carpet, so I highly recommend it.
If you are interested in this product, check out my Amazon link in the description below. Also, like and subscribe if you'd like to see more of these review videos. And also let me know in the comments what videos you would like to see next. Thanks for watching.